Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you something. And no, it's not miniature doll houses and it's not miniatures. This is actually in my house, and this is a small area here coming from the bathroom. There's a little bathroom here, right? Little bathroom. So when you come out of this bathroom, you see two doors right there. So do you know what's behind the two doors? I'm going to show you. I'm going to let you in so that I can tell you all about that space, which I'm going to change up a little bit. So anyway, I have some of those Dollar Tree decorations that come out for the summer, and these say welcome. I have the sun there. Look at how beautiful. And then I have a bee. Look at that. So I'm going to open this area so that you can see what's in here. Yes, it's the laundry area. I like this laundry area even though it's not huge, but it looks like a closet, right? It looks like a closet. And I have everything I need in there, really. All I need is the space for the washer and the dryer. And then up there, I usually don't use that rack to put clothing on it. Why? Because the clothing, the fabrics that I wash, they're all going to go back upstairs, right? Your towels, your clothing. So you don't need any of that up there. And as far as detergents, I would rather store the detergents in my mud sink. I have another area here where I have detergents and all that stuff. And I have this big, huge sink where I can just wash other stuff that I want to wash. I usually store my plastic bottles in there for a while until I recycle them. But anyway, this whole video is about this section here. So let's go back to the laundry area. So that rack, I do not use it for any clothing. What I do is I place some of the things that I don't place around the house, and they're up here. Now, some of these frames up there, like this one with the elephant, that one used to belong to my mom. And then I have some other things here, like this beautiful miniature that I bought at a Hallmark a while back. It lights up and everything. And I have some other gadgets here that are just from yard sales. Look at these little houses, bird houses, and light up houses and all that. But what I want to do is, oh, and also that box right there, that also belonged to my mom. And some of them were gifts, like that one was a gift. These I bought. So yeah, so these things, I'm going to keep them there, but I want to place those frames on the side. I want to spread them out a little bit. So I'm going to put a frame there and another one on that side and just one in the middle. That's it. So that it won't look too congested up there on that rack. And I just keep some hangers there. Sometimes I have to hang something up. And I gotta clean this up a little bit. This clothes was just washed, so it has to go back to the drawers. And then you got right here. Right now, I'm actually drying the towels that I washed. So yeah, so this is the little laundry area, and I plan to clean this up a little bit up here, make it look a little bit more attractive. And also there's a light there, a switch right in here, so it's a space of its own. Alrighty, well, I think this is it. Let me just close it back up right there. And that's it. Well, I thank you for your time, and I thank you for watching. I'll be back.